Girls love guys with long hair. Think Jason Momoa or Harry Styles. If you're lucky enough to grow a good head of hair, going for a longer style could score you more compliments and attention. But here's the thing. It's not as simple as avoiding the barber for a year and just waiting for your hair to get long. You still need a hairstyle, and long-haired dudes have lots of options. Choose the wrong hairstyle and you might end up looking like you've been stranded on a desert island and with no Wilson to boot.
Wilson, where are you? Wilson!
So in this video, we're highlighting the 5 best hairstyles for men so you can make the most out of your mane without the risk. Starting with number 1, long textured waves. If you're going for that effortless, beachy look, think surfer vibes, then long textured waves are your go-to. This style is perfect for guys with symmetrical features as it can give your face a more defined and slimmer appearance. The key here is keeping your hair in great condition and embracing the natural texture. Regular trims are essential to keep those split ends in check and to avoid that scraggly, unkempt look. To style, grab a sea salt spray. This will give you that natural texture and add some volume without making your hair look too done. After a shower, spritz it on damp hair and use your fingers to crunch it up. If you want to take those waves to the next level, throw in some curl cream to really enhance the curls and give your hair more shape. For a bit of inspiration, just look at guys like Kit Harington and Jason Momoa. They've got this look down to a science. Number 2, the long middle part. The long middle part is a classic style that's making a serious comeback. This look works best for guys with straight or slightly wavy hair. The key to pulling off this style is keeping your hair well groomed and healthy. No frizz or flyaways here. To style, use a lightweight cream to keep everything in place without weighing your hair down. Simply after washing, apply the cream while your hair is damp and then use a comb to create that clean middle part. Let it air dry or blow dry for a bit of added volume. To keep your hair looking smooth and polished all day, you can also use a leave-in conditioner like Smooth. Celebs like Timothée Chalamet and Jared Leto have mastered this look, proving that the middle part is anything but boring. Number 3, long slicked back. If you're after a sleek, polished look, the long slicked back style might be your best bet. This is the go-to hairstyle if you want to look sharp and put together while still showing off your length. It's a great option for formal occasions or when you want to add a bit of edge to your everyday style. The trick with this one is to get the right balance of hold and shine without making your hair look greasy. To style, apply a high quality pomade or gel to damp hair. Start by working the product through your hair with your hands and then use a comb to slick it back smoothly. Focus on getting an even distribution of product to avoid clumps and don't forget to comb through for that super clean finish. For that perfect slick, try using a pomade that gives a medium hold with a bit of shine. It will keep your hair in place all day without making it look too stiff. Think of David Beckham or Chris Hemsworth when they go for that ultra sophisticated look. This is a style that screams confidence. Number 4, long side part. The long side part is a versatile style that works for almost any occasion, from casual hangouts to more formal events. This look adds structure to your hair while still allowing you to show off its length. It's ideal if you're looking to add a bit of symmetry to your face or give yourself a more refined appearance. The key here is to keep the part clean and precise while allowing the rest of your hair to flow naturally. To style, use a light hold styling cream or mousse. After washing, part your hair to one side while it's still damp. Use a comb to define the part, then either let your hair air dry or use a blow dryer for a bit more volume. If you want to keep everything in place, finish with a light hairspray that won't weigh your hair down. Celebrities like Leonardo DiCaprio and Zac Efron often rock the long side part with ease, proving it's a style that stands the test of time. Number 5, half up, half down. If you're all about versatility and want a style that's both casual and cool, the half up, half down look is where it's at. This hairstyle gives you the best of both worlds, keeping some of your hair out of your face while still showing off those long locks. It's a great choice for guys with a bit of wave or curl in their hair, and it's super easy to style. To achieve this look, gather the top half of your hair and secure it with a hair tie or clip, leaving the rest of your hair flowing naturally. You can go for a messy, undone vibe, or keep it sleek and polished depending on your mood. This style is all about personal expression, so don't be afraid to play around with it. For product recommendations, try texture powder to give your hair some grit, volume, and texture without making it stiff. This will keep the top part in place while allowing the rest of your hair to move naturally. You can also reapply more texture powder as the day goes on and restyle. Guys like Jason Momoa and Chris Hemsworth have been seen rocking the half up, half down look, proving that it's a killer option for anyone with long hair. So there you have it. Whatever hairstyle you choose though, keeping your hair in good condition is key. Make sure you're using a quality shampoo and conditioner to keep your hair healthy and strong, but don't overdo it. Washing too often can strip your hair of natural oils. Regular trims are a must to prevent split ends, even if you're growing it out. Girls love long hair, but only when it's healthy. To get any of the products mentioned in this video, head to the link in the description.